Thank you for tuning in, guys, and if you're watching this video, you probably want to know basically how to convert your C10 wipers from this style to this style. Well, this video is going to show you exactly what you need to do. This is my C30, basically the same thing as a C10, just bigger. So first thing you need to do is remove your stock wiper arms. That's these guys. You can just take them and throw them away because I hate that style windshield wiper. Now, this is a factory 94 Ford windshield wiper blade. I have access to a ton of cars, so I kept trying blades to, trying wiper arms till I figured out a good combination for this style of truck. Well, as you can see, I done cleaned these up and powder coated them. There's a video on my channel. The part number to these wiper arms is in the description below. Go down there, check it out. You might want to pick you some up. Now, when you get this wiper arm, you can also probably find them in a salvage yard. I picked up some Bosch Advantage wiper blades. Now, these is 18-inch. You will want 18-inch for both sides. Now, these wiper arms do fit. They actually clip on instead of press on. That's the little clip. So, a whole lot better style in my opinion. Now, this is the Bosch Advantage. You want to basically press it down in so, pull it towards you, then clip it down. Now, this is a wiper blade. Now, when you install this, you basically can actually take a little bit of sandpaper and clean these up a little bit, or not. It's exact fit. They do fit a little snug. You want to line them up straight where they look good, and then just look how easy it is to install this new style wiper blade. You just wiggle it on, and then you take this clip, pull up on your wiper blade, and hit a latch in place. It's that simple. Oh, it ain't lined up, so let's move that to another notch. That's too high. There we go. About like that. Go a little bit more down. A little bit more. I'm picky, I know. Okay, that looks pretty good right there. Okay, that's one wiper installed. As you can see, the tab is mashed in. The wipers are solid, they fit great. Now I'm going to go ahead and install the other side. Now guys, as you can see here, I'm tapping it a little bit with a soft hammer because some of these do fit snug. This one had trouble coming off, but you can take a little sandpaper and go around the edge of this. That wiper pretty well make it fit. Just keep trying it till it fits as smooth as that side did over there. Just hit and miss. So I'm going to keep at this. Okay guys, as you can see, the wipers are working great on this old Chevrolet. The wiper motor is a little weak. Every now and again my wipers do act up. It did that with the stock set. Every now and again it does that too. So I'm going to either have to replace my switch or my wiper motor in the next few videos. But I'm happy with the upgrade. Yep, very happy. They look pretty good. Windows pretty clean too. Wave at boss. Yeah, but yeah, hopefully if you do this upgrade, you'll be happy with it too. Now, if they don't fit snug, like I said, take you some sandpaper and go around this wiper right here. Not the wiper itself, but the place that it mashes down on. Sand that till it fits on us smooth and easy like this and did. Because we had trouble with that one and I had to sand here and test fit it a couple tries. But it worked out great. Hope you enjoyed this video. Drop a like, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Show your support by hitting that subscribe button. Appreciate it if you do.